Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can connect Binance Smart Chain to Metamask and PancakeSwap. It's really fast and easy, and the first step what you need to do here, you need to go to this article. I will leave this article in the description below so you can easily find it, but it's on academy.binance.com, and then you need to scroll down until you see mainnet, right? And then open your Metamask Chrome extension, and then select here, it should be Ethereum mainnet, and then select custom RPC, and then just put the details here. So network name smart chain, chain ID is 56. Oh no, so it need to be link, and chain ID 56, symbol BNB, and block explorer, as you can see here, BTC scan. BCC scan, and then press save. I already have it right here. I already connected, but it's basically what you need to do here. If you want to connect Binance Smart Chain to Metamask, and if you want to then connect Metamask to PancakeSwap, so go to PancakeSwap.finance, select top, connect on the top right corner, select Metamask, and it will connect Metamask to PancakeSwap without a problem, right? So guys, that's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.